What's going on, folks? This is LB the Realist with Surrealistic Studios, Surreal News, where the real is surreal. And it gets more surreal, folks. So check this out. Out of science and discovery news today, we have ancient water on Mars. So I'm going to read this article from Axios.com. Mars's water-rich past. That's kind of hard to say. Mars's water-rich path. All right, let's move on. All right, so let's go. NASA's Perseverance rover has only been on Mars for a relatively short amount of time, but the spacecraft is already revealing the watery secrets of the red planet's ancient past. Why it matters. Scientists have known at least some part of Mars was habitable billions of years ago, but this new data from Perseverance is allowing them to piece together more of the world's complex history. What's happening? A new study in the journal Science uses photos taken by Perseverance to confirm that the ancient river delta in Jezero crater once flowed with water billions of years ago. Long-lived water flows shaped the ground Perseverance now studies, but the new data also revealed fast-moving floods carried rocks from other areas into the delta. By learning more about these flooding events and sediment deposits, Perseverance scientists may be able to better target samples that could show signs of organic materials that may reveal life once thrived in Jezero. The finest grained material at the bottom of the delta probably contains our best bet for finding evidence of organics and biosignatures, Sanjeev Gupta, a Perseverance scientist from Imperial College London and a co-author of the paper, said in a statement. And the boulders at the top will enable us to sample old pieces of crustal rocks. The big picture. One day, NASA plans to launch another mission that will collect those samples Perseverance gathers for a return to Earth. By bringing those samples back, scientists will be able to use a range of tools to analyze the Martian rocks and learn more about them than a rover could. Okay, so they're going to analyze the Martian rocks and learn more about them than a rover could. Wow, so there we go, folks. Ancient water on Mars. Now, this is something that we've been talking about. I mean, not, me particularly, but I mean, people in general have been talking about water, being on Mars and possibly life existing on Mars. And here we go. We sent rovers and robots and helicopters and all kind of stuff up there. And this is worth billions and billions of dollars. And we're collecting evidence and finding out new stuff every day. Every single day we're finding out new stuff. We don't know that much about space. We barely know about our own oceans. I know a lot of people would say we shouldn't be wasting money on this. We need that money at home so we can focus on other things, more pertinent to everyday life for people on Earth while we're living on Earth. You know what I'm saying? So I totally get that argument, but I can't not realize the whole spectacle of it all, or the whole, I guess how amazing it all is. Like, I just constantly look up in the sky and wonder, I just wonder, wow, each one of those stars, it may be a star like our sun, or it may be a planet, or it may be, what's out there? How are we really alone? Like, these are the questions that we constantly ask as humans. What's out there? Are we alone? Is there such things as aliens? Did they, at least one day, did they exist in the past? So I don't know. This stuff is interesting to me. Leave me your thoughts in the comment section below if you find this stuff interesting as well. And if you like this kind of content, do so. Let me know. Like this video, share, subscribe, all that jazz, folks. You already know what to do. Love, peace, and light. Until next time, keep questioning everything. Keep wondering. Keep discovering. And I'll catch you guys on the next segment, on the next video. All right? I'm out. Peace to the Martians.